This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Debbie Wilson. Must see this gorgeous wooded lake and mountain view lot to build your dream home in the stunning gated community of 1300 Subdivision. Enjoy the Saltwater Pool and Clubhouse, while the kids enjoy the splash pool. Get your steps in at the Nature Exercise Park or at the Equestrian Barn and Stables area. Lots of beautiful wildlife enjoying the neighborhood too. Don't forget to check out the Marina with boat ramp, community boat slips, and dock. Underground utilities including high-speed internet. Top-rated schools, hospital, shopping, golf and fine dining. Lake access to Lake Nottely, a 4,180-acre lake with 106 miles of shoreline. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie.